On question number 8, I'm solving by the square root property. So my first step is to isolate the square term. So I want to get the x squared by itself first. So I'm going to subtract 49 from both sides. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So x squared is equal to negative 49 over 4. Now I want to take the square root of both sides. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 49 over 4. So I have x is equal to plus or minus. Now the square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 4 is 2. And because I have this negative on the inside, I want to put an I. So that would be my final answer. And if you wanted to separate the two answers, you could put 7 over 2i and negative 7 over 2i.